yalo comme bao the platform momento kana kacha ka political kacha
donc kilo ke folo
bare si ko ni photo wala ni fire on the mountain
run boys run girls
big
fire fire on the mountain run boys run girls big fire run boys run girls Talibo Mama Jangle waited before the show started. No, Buba, let's be clear. Talibo came and said, I have a song to sing right before I talk.
Yeah, I was here.
And teach my way.
I was here.
For my chorus album. This is not my song. This is Namola song.
Okay, go ahead, Talibo. Talibo, what direction?
Yalo comme be kacha kanedro. Bar noto fenkela ko mandi gol ka fa men lantela mata pachiti. Yo dafa na saramtije. Mata pati tije na saram tije ya fam yo bari ko no ba UDP mu banko ko la na tar ko fam ko la muyti ya senon la muyti ndebe tambe suko wala la tro ngal na wirdo ke ngal na tar mbay falo lamu mbe denkilo kala ngande bar ko be bawo banko ko la mu isi maranole kandu la dole marale kem si mbeda me tan le marale yo so wom kulati me alon ko kumada bake pour banko la ko kasi kacha
okay ye Rohimalik Lo la moyle Mayor Rohimalik Lo and the chairman Yankuba ye la moyle and also the responses on social media
na men be ko men be ka na be la moyle yo bari yalom amanke coming bi kulam ni mutari kolati kabrin 2026 kana wato wat ni election bina drum fenne kane kurumba UDP la membe boy bari katara banda ko no dro bari fon yalla mi fo ye kuruma itol la okay boyndi fo même fota ni mo sabol tema amanya na fona ni political nde ni ndelam amanya na fola starting from Rohimalik Lo Yankuba manya na Jabir kala talibu manya na Safir kala something keta même fana kuma dofo fana
nana maketa
wol be man na fola ni nyande kala badi ya kacalati because carte wala fayta Rohimalik Lo ay banjul mara di capital o manka kundindi de inara KMC fanan kono ken da bala moti talibe le be o fanan ay mo jamale maraje inara West Coast o fanan mudla balati Yankuba le ji mara ni be mu UDP le nim ko mu UDP la fili falol lom ñiniti so fili falo ñanta tenkunda le saje kiyango ñing akana jija iñanta ñing ko ka cala le badi mbun kono brim Rohimalik Lo ya ke dron aske no harama dew fanan ñaade teta baake kudo kono asikuma do fo okay bari ngala ko momo ñama ko kulle ka katela mo buka kondem adum pati diwle ka kala
akoy ga nenne
ka nene mo nana mam funti ka press release ki bar mama kande kabrin nendiro kete wala side la mo li funti tay ko ibe mama kande la apologize ka anata ayo ko mo fo ninte mu rohitinal mbedan na jele bar nte mo do to fola te mo do fana to fola mo do la ambition to fola mbedan na dron ka UDP ngol address ko mo do kan nen le UDP ala address akanan le because journalist wala ñinin ka ando journalist ni na be kacala ñande haklo la bakel journalist
Talibo that was all nakaling kana hate choreographed.
Yeah.
Did you ask yourself the question, right? Mo jamali ya nenjeng, especially ala first time. But why single out Majane?
Yo ngamira maybe asikeno
andung yalong natara Majane mantara UDP isa fono media but Majane is a staunch member of UDP munatena alma kacha bunkono yeta party leader yeta mol min detita Majane ye faye pour Majane diamunde. Why do you have to address Majane on the media when Majane is your party member? If Majane is not your party member, you say I don't have any way to address the person or anybody close to the person to talk to the person. You understand?
Comme mbem fo kay dro hanna ma adam ta Majane fan toto nda so understand bari comme talibe molo me alon ko atina bebe parti kilin ko marlalem ko na to marlama ati nyame ninte muyti wala izu mbo kacala dame ana be makla ko kacala dame ite kala kilinti yo tuba bol franco tout non cannot make it right nata fana yo kuma kanfo do fana funtita kuma do fo yankuba fanan ntefi amanyina nala ay talbe kosi ya understand fo ani rohi malik lola kullol men ye kacha aya fo blado o ka munake wala nyinti sa patio ko ni muta kacha no
ntede mode kacha nga fe ngo fe su ko mba fula bantaba
na simuru ko ma wala nyinti ko United Democratic Party ato United Democratic Party. There should be internal party democracy in the party first before you enter Mara. So in internal party democracy from Mantar party things will not do well. So ye fanto command benna and in that member duma wala manke kilenti. And the United Democratic Party in Antalona ko party kilintate Gambiat. Mo kilintate Gambiat. Si kilintate Gambiat billahi wallahi tala metembo mendo. Mole kuni umen soto. Ika kili ni ye la siyo ye siso konko la siyo bebe dene la be butela. Patio ni ye fam warandi patio bedi patio lebe kafla nyoma be butela. Na example ta 2016. Janni ba fula 2016 doyin kol. Ika 16,000 soto janno o 15,000 or 19,000 vote. Amad baka 20,000 votes soto nan. Biris 2016 nat. Mol kafta nyoma ya jame kelen. Wala sono ya dan jolila 19,000 or 18,000. Iti amira nin doy man kafuje. 24 do Amad Ba man kafuje. UDP can win. Ila candidate can win. Wo political style mol nyanta ibe o parti o men kono. I nyanta reflect la yo calculation o jibe. Ajibe birim baro nata MPP lo. Ay APRC invite nat. Ay do ne halwo nat. Ay do fana ne hal anat. Ibri ko tele baro fu dendi ko la kabrin ko tim jomala boyta UDP le boyta bar mol kam men kel wot modon ko carte fa man aman tilim atini ta bet ko bendam mol ye ke ko rek bar UDP de ila homo ko imake okay yaw na san so do fanan felenta abakana adu mandin ko ala felenti woye tere la bara ala bakana nyanta wut la boro andu ila nyimmel yalon koy kat lamul jibe la dolbe tubabu dolbe blado to ni UDP ma dure kam de alquran wala ma ika jel ka foko mo manya neted advice la they are perfect andu ika juduntel mel lanka analyze ke billah wala ntel la muy la problème oti imano ndel quand même foy wala ñindi ko al sion de respect alle party au respect alle every political party respect in this country kaje ka foko ñin don na transo ñin don na tala wala ka dala soke ni ñin na transo manna ñin don fan na transo ma ila tala ata dala so sina wala na a sitting government fund abe all means ke kan kaje ka foko ka mol ka funda famma kana wo style le be kerin dunya kono bete mo men do say natel dam ma be patio kono alla patio bitaka mo me taji nte fana na jero fe baba fana na ñin diamu o manke kuti me alon ko ay ko senade woni yeko be non de akamunta ko yekuro ka senata ye fano landi isanyo kan abe jolo ndabal nene men fo chocho bina la ko de because ni anata ke ko de ay kaunfani akonte lola iba fala fero le kedro aha mobe modole bar ñine bi jige wo fana be balone sila bla dot so ko dol bije
yeah and yango said ni talib nara be bola party otole ya
exactly so bar ku mota ta nata nyamen dro wala ñindi ko
because the other thing important thing you know they all say Barrow is not good, Barrow is corrupt, Barrow is bad for country, you know, and all that, but now you equate and said that you know Talib's leadership would be worse than Barrow. So I don't see you supporting anything worse than Barrow, because already what Barrow is doing to you, what you believe is bad. It's an all-time bad. So why would you even leave what is bad and go for what is worse? Understand? So Purman, if you don't want bad, you will not settle for worse. And you believe that, okay, Talib Nyol will be worse than in Barola. So there is no way on earth, if Talib should be, you will support Talib.
Okay.
It's very, very clear. And I think it's whatever.
Adunte carte sunya la 2026
munem nyakuti
nyako is a marabouting
okay comme jat
ko MPP nyakule fay bari nin kumu ndel fanani ya nyakudunda jele ba modo funtita ka ala fan sum patio lo
Keba Madi
yo UDP jelata ye forumo fa hela na je top UDP ke dala administration fa ngoti me je don ko fo katita bargo boyta sa ndebe même
kabri borana Mali la UDP programme sor
jama
ide
ani
ela nyim Mali ta
sa même wala mole
barole kinu Mali
is easy as
talibo barole ki Mali bo
ani ntatam fona hajo
ida re fa la ita mole aje fo mu nekata
non datam fa su hajo la
so bari asam
Buba kakari kuol noma.
Buba.
Buba.
la bismillah aboy ni kata
so nsi même fono gambian ko de baba ko atele be lola
ha a sénateur sa
o easy tan tol fele ka 2026 election o will coming omelette
albo le ñinen ka
omelette do ka de da sai ka do sai mole
This is the two things. Like he mentioned that this Keba Lang Madi. You remember the last week?
Keba Madi, yeah.
Keba Madi. Keba Madi. I don't see the difference between what is happening with the Keba Madi issue in NPP and what is happening in UDP right now. But the difference is how it has been handled. That is the difference. You understand? Deguma Baro even Dugal Gemenyam the address. I'm sure ne Munko mentioned, Munko discussed internally, right? Aklinyum Keba Madi defe because I had asked people, they say that they've been engaging them. You know what I mean? Nyam ñu ngi fati masi kifi ñewon naka la tudda
who is the
kifi ñewon from that
Bay
camp
Sankare,
Bay Sankare ñu ngi fati di wax di def and yoy nono. But apart from the letter, like I said, they wrote 2 letters which I support. The only problem I have is telling them people not to give them voters card or whatever. Kuneka is a democratic right. You cannot suppress people. But in the letter that they wrote to them to ask them, I think it was professional, it was up, it was timely for an institution to do that. The respondent then just like I said here, it's also good to follow through because the bull binda rek bull bow rek te do mata. It's also important ne bindangalen nga jox len a timeline. You need to come back to the people and update us whether they have responded. If they've responded, what has been done. Why fi ma bëgg wax rek moy the handling of the issue is very, very important. You understand? ñoo fi toog maa si bàyyi ni kooku dafa am xaalis dafa am nit dafa prominent daf dee dimbale nit ñi kon kooku ko important la so kooku su waree génn NPP should be worried. You know what I mean? Why? NPP fate wuñ ñu ngi ko handle in a very good way. You know what I mean? Why? Imagine ñoom internally lii mu ngi xew. Everybody has to talk about it. You understand? Everybody has to import. It's like a time bomb. So bose fi poof. So pose fi fo. When ñom ñep ñoo bokka. So lolu moy sa difference fi ne. And I repeat again, Barrow is doing everything possible to win while the opposition is doing nothing to remove Barrow and get into power. It's just hot air being blown. I ask, what is the difference? I'm not talking about Barrow as the head of the president of the Gambia, but Barrow as the party leader and secretary general of NPP. What is the difference now after listening to Uncle Usunu speak on Wednesday? Now I ask, what is the difference between Barrow as the party leader of NPP, whatever, and Usainu Dabo as the party leader of UDP? Let somebody tell me the difference right now. And muneye fata munatinna nyanta dotala nganyobula. Not as a president. Those are another big issue that I have so many disagreements.
As party leaders.
As a party leader.
Abo in the 1 minute tally boys.
Buba.
We move here.
Party internal problem also. But it depends albake rula nyame.
Alba handula nyame internally.
Congress le asamba pro ke youth president. So nala ambition of amam party olo for eta by no. The only thing si men ke no lam ya mar letter to wala ya nyini ka letter. Ay jabi I can need evidence. In case ni atra ko bina kala ba congress la lo na dum congress mun na luwale andum gambia luwale congress nyim so wala tinan din tul ba samba kan professional na party o lafta kala institutional te dame ya lon ka foko nimbe ko ko din kala anin luwale bita
okay
bari si advice même fonandi wala mi di ko UDP kana laji na ka foko na party o mo alqur'ano lati na nyaton ko mo alqur'ano lati mota la place o mala wala ni sikar le tamu wala ni sikar le tamu nal yo ke drone albe kulle ke kan UDP kono me alon ka betina because munamu nda talibo ko njira baati on lebe UDP yaade ninga UDP boyndi ndeba ka celebration o keno mbidam meme muso dina abe UDP
foy nyamata eta celebration
abe muso tala
mbadi ngo bije o mu UDP la mbe mun celebrate no la bari mbadi la ko mol yen tolu le tombo mbedan na wala
okay
bari nte moto tala nga wuri nte bulu kosila nte fo felin kala so itel fanan yaaje ka fo ko ila molle be other political parties ibadi on le bije nkana nyola ko ke na ninga kayro jembe na karola ya fo ye ni mu UDP la karola wala ni mu MPP la karola nim koro fanan nata nga duwa ñoye wo koro ñing ay bang bar nin ka kuwol nan ya ñoye ni ya kenna talata lu arbalo bay ta jara de
Okay, Talibo, thank you so much.